Something strange happens to men at around the age of 40. You start to actually become more attractive. And today I'm going to go over 10 reasons why this happens. Men don't peak in terms of their attractiveness until well into their 40s. But 40 is kind of like that starting point. You know, a lot of guys think, oh, I'm getting older, which means my best years are behind me. This couldn't be further from the truth. If you play your cards right in your 20s and 30s, 40 is just the starting point. The first reason is that you finally stop trying to impress everybody. When you're in your 20s and 30s, a lot of times you're performing. You're trying to be or show that you're something to make people like you or to make people think that you're something that you may or may not be. When you hit 40, you sort of start to become more comfortable in your own skin. And you realize that it's okay if not everybody likes you. It's okay if you're a little bit different. You finally are starting to develop your man confidence. The second reason is that competence is sexy. When you're in your 40s, you've learned a lot of things. You have experience. You're not still just trying to figure it out. You've got real skills, high value skills. You've got the discipline, and you are competent in terms of figuring shit out. And this is something that women are hardwired to actually notice. A competent, successful man is crazy dangerous. The third reason is that emotional control gets a lot better once you reach the age of about 40. Hopefully. Okay, you should be a lot better at that. But when you're in your 20s and 30s, you're very impulsive. But 40, right, you start to realize that, okay, I need to take my time. I need to slow down. I need to think about things. I'm not going to be as reactive. A lot of the reacting that you did when you were younger, you learn from those mistakes. Now you're a lot more cool, calm, collected when it comes to handling situations, good and bad. The fourth reason you get more attractive at 40 is that you finally by now are starting to really dial in that personal package, right? That branding that we talk a lot about, right? In the first 3 seconds upon meeting you, boom, somebody just formed an opinion based solely on the nonverbal communicating that you're doing. If it's a good impression, then great. You don't have to work as hard as the person that isn't paying attention. When you're in your 20s, you're a mess, right? Stylistically, you're experimenting, trying a bunch of things. You also don't have money. 30 years old, you're still kind of figuring it out. You're using your expendable money for things like a nicer place to live. You finally are out of the house. Maybe you're investing a little bit more money in the way that you look in terms of your grooming, your products. But then at 40 years old, your style, your grooming, your personal brand, it really starts to escalate because you know at this point what looks best. You understand I don't need to spend money on trendy items or waste money on crappy products. You understand the value of the clothing and the items that you're buying. Now, sure, we all make mistakes when we're young, right? Buying the expensive fragrance. But you still want to smell good. And so by 40 years old, you know, okay, I'm not wasting money. I'm going with Rebel. It's the similar scent as Competence, except it's only actually $30. Right now, limited time, $30, regular price $50. You're also going to get a free travel sprayer while supplies last with Rebel, all right? Inspired by Competence. It's not a copy or clone, but if you want to smell amazing, gentlemen, there is no better fragrance bang for your buck. The reason why I developed Rebel is because I love this. I love smelling amazing, getting the compliments, but I hated wasting money on this because this bottle was like $500. And so I went to the lab. I had Rebel created. It's amazing. You're going to love it. Hit the link down below. Limited time, $30 plus the free travel sprayer while supplies last. The fifth reason why you become more attractive starting at around 40 is that financial stability changes everything. All right, now, money itself is not the attractive thing. What money allows you to do and what it represents, that's the attractive thing. Stability, control over your own life, all right? Not being stressed out and worried about money, being able to go do shit. Guys, in your 40s, that's the time where you really start to develop wealth. All right, or the things that you have done, the foundations you have laid, the skills that you have learned in your 20s, your 30s, it really starts to pay off in your 40s. Live below your means, it starts to compound. You have a lot more expendable income that you can actually leverage and invest. And this, like I said, it changes everything. Number 6, your body becomes better if you have been good to your body up until this point. So if you spent your 20s and your 30s not working out, eating trash, not having a good diet, abusing your body, smoking, drinking, doing all the things that you shouldn't be doing, I'm sorry, but 40 years old, if you haven't changed it until that point, it's not going to get better. Your body doesn't get better. It gets worse because your metabolism will slow if you haven't done the things that you need to do, all right? It's biology, it's genetic, it just kind of happens a lot of times. But 40 years old, I'm telling you, your body gets awesome if you have done the things you need to do, because most guys haven't. You set yourself apart from everybody else, all right? Guys that are in their 40s that have a nice physique are so much more attractive than younger dudes, even if the younger dudes are jacked, because it comes with something else. It comes with substance. Seventh reason you're more attractive is that men in their 40s understand women better than men in their 20s, definitely, and oftentimes men in their 30s. Once you reach 50, you understand them even better. Trust me, from experience, I've learned that. But at 40, you've stopped chasing pretty and you understand more about what she is looking for, what she needs. You also have made a lot of bad mistakes and choices when you're in some of your earlier relationships. By 40, you've hopefully grown up. You've grown out of some of the bad behavior. You're more emotionally aware and in touch and willing to communicate and read body language and communicate like a grown-ass man, which is incredibly attractive. That is one of the reasons why a lot of younger women are more attractive to older men. It's because of the fact that they're not like putting on an act or a front. They're not chasing. They're more comfortable in who they are. And this is incredibly attractive. The eighth reason why you become more attractive is that your physical presence improves, your posture, your confidence, your structure, your face. It looks a little bit older, more chiseled, more defined, your body better, your style improved. All of these things enhanced. Eye contact, right? Body language. Another thing that improves typically with age. A lot of young guys, they're avoidant, right? In terms of their eye contact or their posture. They're not comfortable in a room. When you hit 40, you start to become better. Your presence, undeniable. You interact, you move through the room with grace, with confidence. You're able to make small talk, communicate like a man. This is sexy. The ninth reason you become more attractive is that you stop wasting time on dumb shit. When you hit 40, it's about health, wealth, presence, purpose. These are the things that you focus on. You're not worried about being liked. You're not going out and just partying and being an idiot. You finally understand who you are and what life is about and where you want to go to and get to. And you make better decisions. And the last thing is experience creates depth. When you start to become older, one of the beautiful things is you've got better experiences. You've got more knowledge. You've got more life experience. And this also is attractive. When you're young, you fake it till you make it. You're trying to basically become something and you're messing a lot of stuff up. You're figuring stuff out along the way. Fine. But 40 years old, you've got a lot of those lessons and life behind you that allows you to be a deeper, more interesting, more introspective, and just a better man. And this, again, makes you more attractive. Guys, I'm telling you, a lot of guys have the misconception that when you hit 40, your best days are behind you. I'm here to tell you from experience, at 40, you are just getting started.